In this video, we will see the difference between natural and whole numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural numbers are very natural to humans because they come from counting objects like number of books, pens, etc. Natural numbers are also called counting numbers because they are used for counting. Natural numbers are the positive integer which starts from 1 and ends of infinity, such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to infinity. The natural numbers does not contain any decimal or a fractional part. Since we start counting with number 1, so 1 is the first natural number. If we add 1 to the first natural number 1, then we get to the second natural number. By adding 1 to 2, we get 3, the third natural number. In fact, by adding 1 to any natural number, we get the next natural number. The set of natural numbers is usually denoted by the symbol n. N equals curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Properties of natural numbers. Addition property. When two natural numbers are added, it results in natural number only. Example 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Subtraction property. When two natural numbers are subtracted, it may or may not result in a natural number. Example 7 minus 3 equals to 4 is a natural number. But 3 minus 7 equals to minus 4 is not a natural number. Multiplication property. When two natural numbers are multiplied, then it always results in natural numbers. Example 2 multiplied by 4 equals to 8. Division property. Division of two natural numbers may or may not result in natural numbers. Example 6 divided by 3 equals to 2 is a natural number, but 3 divided by 2 equals to 1.5 is not a natural number. Now let's see whole numbers. Whole numbers are positive numbers including 0. The whole number does not contain any decimal or a fractional part. The set of whole numbers is usually denoted by the symbol W. W equals curly bracket 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinity. Difference between natural numbers and whole numbers. Natural numbers include only positive integers and starts from 1 to infinity, whereas all numbers are the numbers which include 0 along with all natural numbers. Here are some examples. 8, 4.5, 9, minus 2. Which of the above numbers are not a natural number? Comment below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.